All right, good morning, boys, and what is up? Today is Monday, June 8th. We did make around $4.5 thousand today trading the Nasdaq, and that is partially or actually all on Top Step. We have 5 XFAs with Top Step 50Ks. I did the back to funded. I really don't mind it. I did 5 of them, so $900 across 5 accounts. The accounts are now at $900 each, so they are at up 1,000 or up 900. That's the $4,500. I made 2.5K on two 150Ks with TPT, or sorry, I made 900 on one or 1,000 on one, and then 2,500 on the other to just get those last trading days in, pass them. So tonight I can activate the TPT accounts. I also secured max allocation with Alpha Futures, 5 accounts, and sadly, these are my Lucid Max accounts. I fucking blew the evals. I'm gonna show you guys how I blew the evals. I took 2 trades. On all my other accounts, I only took one. On this guy, I took 2 trades. I'm gonna show you guys the trades now. It's a little bit upsetting. As you can see, I longed market open and I lost, and then I longed again and I got stopped in drawdown because I lost 1,000, and then I sized in heavy on this one, and I didn't realize how volatile this fuck ass range was, right? So first trade, like I said, was right at market open. I was extremely bullish today. I was bullish off the rip. I told the Discord, because we are in this 4-hour gap, obviously, and the daily is obviously bearish. But if I'm going to be bearish on the week, I'd expect Monday to open higher, maybe Tuesday as well, before we dump. If we even dump, we might just continue to all-time highs. That is a possibility. Do I think it's realistic? Absolutely not. I don't see a world where we just leave these lows. We left them on both ES and Nasdaq. I think we should take out these lows, if not this week, maybe next week. But I see we're not respecting any bearish confluences. We're just tapping into 15-minute gaps, ripping, tapping into 15-minute gaps, ripping. So I see right before market opens, we form this bullish 15-minute gap, and we have this range right here. So price taps into this range, 0.705, 0.618, perfectly, decides to rip. Let me go over this trade later. Decides to rip off that. The 30-second looks beautiful as well. And the 30-second we get this change in state in delivery, I enter off this. Right? I enter off that with my stop loss, I guess, here. And TP up here. Well, you guys saw my executions. I don't know. Well, yeah, I don't have it on my clipboard anymore, but you guys can go back to the beginning of the video and see the executions. Basically got filled up here. Stop loss was here. TP up here. Negative risk reward. Boo-hoo. I really don't care. I still think it was a pretty good trade. I'm not gonna sit here and say it was a fantastic trade, just because of the fact that the confluence was on the 30-second. So that's why I only took it on the Lucid evals, right? No other execution was made here. And then next trade was, I was still bullish. I held my bullish bias. I just grabbed my fib and I moved it to this low, right? And I see, all right, we do have low resistance liquidity here. We do have an unfilled hourly gap. Should I look for shorts? No. Why should I look for shorts? Let's take a look at the low that I'm looking at on Nasdaq. It is the 8 a.m. low, right? Where's the AM low on ES? Right here. So what do we get at this low? Sorry, you guys can't see this. Sorry about that. Let me fix my chart so you guys can see it better. Is this a lot better? Yeah. This should be better. Okay, this is perfect. You guys can see everything now. Okay, sorry about that. We take a look at ES. 8 a.m. lows. We tapped into an unfilled hourly gap on ES, not on NQ, right? So now this low resistance liquidity is a bullish SMT, right? So now what do I notice? We have a bullish SMT and a bearish draw, which is also a bullish PD rate, right? What else do we have? We have 0.79, which is being respected perfectly. 15-minute bullish gap, and this 15-minute order block gets tapped into beautifully. Look how OTE and this 15-minute gap align perfectly. It's actually a crazy coincidence, right? We tap into all of this, push higher. What do I notice price makes? An unfilled 5-minute gap. So, all right, if we want to dump, we can dump off this 5-minute, which we see right now price is actually still respecting. So, my logic is this is a nice wick. This is a nice high. What did price do? We tapped into OTE of the smaller range, right? 0.705, pushed higher. We swept this low, right? Is that significant? Not really, but it is an internal low that we swept, right? We also had an SMT there. I don't know why I did not mention that. So we have a double SMT, right? We have an SMT at these lows, and we have an SMT at these lows. So we have an SMT at an hourly gap, and then we have an SMT at this internal low right here, which also taps into OTE of the 1 minute range, which also swept this move to the downside before this move up, which then gave us a change in state in delivery. If you guys don't know what a CISD is, check out my free Discord. I have a free course in there covering everything that you guys really need to become profitable, right? So swept that low, push higher, change in state in delivery, enter off that, stops below the candle that created the change in state in delivery, targeting that high, just like that for a 1-to-1. Beautiful trade, hidden like 30 seconds. Beautiful entry, beautiful trade. Obviously, I could have held, maybe trailed a little bit longer and caught 80 points, but I'm on also my top split counts have consistency. Is that cope? Yes, I would have sold at this high anyways, right? Either way, banger day. Pretty good, right? Pretty happy with this trade. I do think it was A plus. OTE of a bullish range, 15-minute gap, and then 2 SMTs. Fucking picture perfect. And this 5-minute gap did end up holding, so that was a great take profit on our end, right? If you guys want to learn how to catch trades like this, feel free to join my free Discord. I will be there to answer any questions you guys need at any time. I hope you guys all have a blessed day, and I will see you boys inside. Peace out.